It can cover 10,000 square meter area. This is not a car, this is rickshaw actually, and this is $850. Right now you can use this kind of machine and it doesn't need the electricity, and it can ride like the 7 kilometers in full charge, and it's very light. I can keep like this, which is quite amazing. Yeah, and the price, oh my goodness, just $3. And the maximum speed is like 100 kilometers per hour. This is 2-in-1. It can also use the nail. It can also use the stapler as well. This is just $380 and the MOQ is like 50 pieces. The quality is good. This is just 2,800. And the maximum speed is like 25 kilometers per hour. It can ride like for 15 to 20 kilometers in full charging. And the maximum speed is like the 15 kilometers. Welcome to Canton Fair Phase 1 Day 4. Today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you the new innovation in cars, motorcycles, cycles, and agriculture industry, tool industry, and all our new products. So if you list those products in your business, maybe your business will grow. And instead of these new products, I also have a lot of resources in China. I have direct contact with factories. So if you have any query, there's a form in description. You can contact me. I can be your business partner here in China. And if you haven't watched the day 1, day 2, day 3 videos, go and watch and improve your business, grow your business. I can be your business partner here in China. And let's explore together. There's a great innovation in agriculture, in farming. Check it out. This is AI lawnmower. It can cover 10,000 square meter area, and in single battery, it will cover like 500 square meter. You need to just set the location from your phone and it will cover all the area. And the best part is this AWD, and this is like the 3D, and it also can rotate like 360 degree. So I think this is a great innovation, and this is a new product, and it will, if you list this product in your shop, and I think that would be so great because this is the new product in market right now. So this is a factory in China, and there's like the 500 MOQ, 500, if you can order in 500 pieces. So I think that would be great. This is the great business model. Let me show you how. I think right now you don't need to do the hand seating. Right now you can use this kind of machine and it doesn't need the electricity. I think which is amazing. Right now you can use different kind of seeds, put here and grow your business. I think which is amazing. Any kind of seed, like I think 10 kind of seeds you can build. I think which is quite amazing. Let me show you a great business model. I think this factory is working really well because they have solved the problem. A lot of people, they got so much tired because they used the shovel, and the shovel, the design was not good. The best part of this factory is they have designed a shovel that you won't be tired. So I think this is a problem solving. So in business, if you solve the problem, you can make money. So I think this is a great business model as well because you can see the design. And this is metal and it's very light. I can keep like this, which is quite amazing. Yeah, and the price, oh my goodness, just $3. In $3, you can get this one. And this is a direct factory. They have some other tools as well, which is quite amazing. If you want to know more details, you can contact me. There's a form in the description. So I will help you to grow your business. Let me show you a great innovation in cordless nailer. This is 2-in-1. It can also use the nail. It can also use the stapler as well. And the best part is very safe. Let me show you here. If you do like this, it won't work. It needs a surface. That's why it's very, very safe. You can see.
And the technology is used air pressure. It's not air swing. So it has a recycled air inside, and it could be help operator to be more comfortable and easy work.
So you mean that you have used the air pressure to use this?
Yes,
okay,
yeah.
there is no spring. That's why it's more convenient to use.
Yes, yes.
This is $380 and the MOQ is $50. The quality is good. That's why I'm showcasing this one. And the maximum speed is 60 kilometers per hour, and in single battery, it can ride like 60 kilometers, and there is a seat as well. And if you don't need the seat, you can minus the $15 as well. So I think this is also a very good option. This bicycle is quite unique. It can charge, and in full charging, it is like 30 kilometers, and the maximum speed is like 25 kilometer per hour. You can also charge by Type C charger. You can go to there's a battery you can take to your home and you can charge it. And I think this is quite compact in size, and you can also put in your car. And yeah, it's quite unique, and the design is very good, and the quality is also good. This is quite sporty, and the maximum speed is like 100 kilometers per hour, and the maximum battery range is 120. And it has a navigation system and the digital screen, and it has two batteries, and the color combination is also good. So this is the future right now. Check out this one. This is just 2,800, and this is quite luxury mini car, and it is the completely EV, and it can drive like 80 kilometers in full charging. Maximum speed is like 50 kilometer per hour, and you can see they have two screens, AC, PDC, and like driving mode. Yeah, so I think this is quite good, and four people easily can sit here. And the best part is I think the quality is good, and the color combination is also good. So I think this is the future right now, and this is especially good for girls. There is NFC at the door here, and you can open a door like this, and you can adjust the seat as well to go inside, and there's a charger. Yeah, so this is pretty good. I think this is quite unique product because it has two batteries. One is for the flight, another one is for the normal daily life. And for the flight, it can ride like the 8 to 10 kilometers and in full charging. And for normal daily use, it can ride like for 15 to 20 kilometers in full charging. And the maximum speed is like the 15 kilometers per hour. I think this is the quality is good, and the best part is you can fold it, you can take to airport, and there's a seat for the baby. You can all the baby also can sit. And the best part is the balance is very good. You can't fall down. This is amazing. And it can also go back. Let me show you how. Yeah, it can also go back like this. So I think this is quite unique, innovative product as well. I think this helmet quality is quite good, and the design, especially the design, the sporty design, check it out. And there is another function. Let me show you. You can see there is some kind of LED lights. Yeah, and another thing is like after using, and there will be some kind of smell, so you can also remove this whole part. You can remove it as well. And another part is this one. And the price is quite reasonable. MOQ is quite reasonable. And if you need this product, because this is a factory, they also have some other designs as well, quite pretty good designs. This is Evelyn with me, and this is the Evelyn's car here with me. This is not a car. This is rickshaw actually, and this is $850. And in full charging, because this is electric, in full charging you can ride like 50 kilometers, and the maximum speed is like 35 kilometer per hour, and it's fully electric, and quite innovative rickshaw as well. So if you need this rickshaw, so you can contact me, or you can contact the Evelyn, because she's the owner of this factory, right, Evelyn?
Yes, yes.
So my followers, if they contact with you, you should give the better price, okay?
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Check out this one. This is just $980, which is amazing. And in full charging, it can ride like the 68 kilometers, and the maximum speed is like 38 kilometer per hour. And there's a digital meter and the wipers and anything. I think the best part is the color combination. Let me show you. Check it out. This is quite luxury. You can also cover the doors here. And I think this is for the two-person. I think this is quite unique because this EV, you can control the music, control the navigation, control the camera recording. It can also record the video as well. And the maximum speed is like 60 kilometer per hour. And in full charging, it can ride like 80 kilometer per hour. But if you want to upgrade your range, I think that would be better, because that is like the 160 kilometer in full charging, and the maximum speed is like 65 kilometer per hour. So that's why I think this EV is quite unique. I hope you liked today's video, and if you have any query of these products or instead of this product, you can contact me. There's a form in description, and I have a lot of factory contact, factory resources here in China. I can be a business partner. And if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, like this video. See you in next video. Stay premium.